Oh my god, my fucking brain hurts, dude. I despise lowered fucking vehicles. What is this, bro? So happy about it. Like, dude, what year is this? A 2024, one of those 2024 Toyota Tundras? That's just disgusting. Why? What's the point of lowering it, dude? You can't get over a fucking curb and you got a truck, but you're pulling a trailer. So how are you going to get over the curb? How are you going to get over that little awning ramp? You're going to have to get towed, buddy. Even the truck on the bed is fucking lowered and it's disgusting. What? That is the worst, shittiest car mod ever I've ever seen. Such a waste of time. Which model is this? Um, does it earn a downy cap on it? Like, fuck, bro. What the shit is this? Why do people do these to these beautiful four-wheel drives? Excuse me, English, but at the same time, what the fuck is this shit? What? Crimson chin looking ass right there, a bit like, oh god. Oh wait, and we can't forget the chrome hood scoop. I'm like, dude, no. Does this 2001 Volkswagen Jetta belong here? No, it doesn't. Dude, this is actually fucking diabolical. It's actually pretty freaking badass. This is what I want to do to one of my Jettas, or find one that's already pre-lifted and test it. Like, durability, fucking test that shit. This thing's actually badass. I don't know why you would think this is a shitty mod. No, this thing's freaking badass, especially the all-wheel drive ones. It's the 1. Oh, no, it's a TDI as well. Dude, that is nasty gnarly. That is fucking diabolical, bro. Hardest Prius on the streets. Dan writes, bro, he's the Grim Reaper. He's going to get your ass with that shit. No, what the fuck? Definitely somebody that lives in their mommy's basement still, and they bought a Prius thinking they're all badass and like, oh yeah, I'm so slick and so quick in it, bro. Yeah, you own a fucking Prius. Get the fuck out of here, you goof. Why? Just why? Oh no, they cambered that shit. No. They cambered the back, but they left the front and it looked goofed. Like, what the shit, bruh? Those eyes. Yeah, you shitting me? What is up with Jeep owners and having these weird, goofy eyes like from... Oh, no, they got a ducky collection. Duck, 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 duck. No. From my old apartments a few years back. Dude, that is diabolical. That ain't no shitty car mod. If you know if it's a diesel and it's meant to have something that diabolically insane. Hey, buddy, that is just wicked. I don't think that's a shitty car mod. That shouldn't be even in here, you goof. What the hell? Now this should be in here. That is just diabolically nutty. Like, what the fuck, bro? Oh, you even got a little antenna going. Oh, you think you're so cute with that. Oh, look at you. 300C Joker Edition. Oh, dude, that is disgusting. You got eyes up here from a wolf, and then you got Joker on the hood. Just disgusting. You should not even have done that. This monstrosity in Toronto. Oh, shit. Oh, shit, bro. Look how fucking slammed that thing is. Disgusting. No. You ruined that car slamming it. I don't get why anybody likes slamming their car so fucking low to the ground. You need a bit of play of room to get around shit, you know? No, not a cup of tea at all. A Skion TC that doesn't know when to stop. Or you mean the owner doesn't know when to stop? Oh my god, that is I'm gonna puke on this shit. Oh, come on, it just got even worse. Look at this. But doing, like, dude, you think you're so cool with that? Look at all this shit. No. Do it. Oh, and a little bit of do it. And look at that little exhaust pipe going. Ba-ding. Oh no, it's even like crying out the rear end. What the fuck? No. Is this the right place for this? It's a BMW. No, I don't think. Fudge. I don't think so. I don't think this is a shitty car mod. I low-key actually kind of dig it. A little pickup truck of a BMW. Now, this is pretty slick, actually. But if he'd done the work nicer on the back, maybe it wouldn't have ended up here. But it looks pretty shitty, at least from what we can see. It looks like it's rail canned here and here. Like, no, dude, get the fuck out of here. Utility pole. I didn't hit a utility pole. Oh no, one of these. What the fuck is this Ford Ranger? What's this Ford owner thinking? Dude, no, you even drilled the headlights into the wood. It's just held up by chains. What is this? Whose car is this? I'm pretty sure I've seen this before, and it's just stupidly disgusting. Like, who wastes this much money on a vehicle that can just get smashed up and just psh, the money gone? Wait. Hemi. Royalty Hemi. Is this a royalty Hemi? No fucking way. Oh my god. No, but why? What? Yeah, why would you do this to your Subaru? You already have two exhaust tips coming out here. Just leave it the way it was. Oh, that is disgusting. You just ruined a perfectly good Subaru, man. Who needs a truck when Van Gogh instead? Oh. What the fuck? Who gave this guy a fucking welder, bruh? I would say this qualifies as a shitty car mod. Absolutely. What the fuck is this? Look at that. Horrible. Horrible. Disgusting. Spin on that shit, dog. No, what? Imagine wasting all that time and effort into building this. Oh my goodness. Who does this with their time? Buyer, I want a show car with a really loud custom sound system. The car. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, that's diabolical. Yeesh. Oh no, even indoors, this thing can barely even fit two people, as in, like, not sure what to say. Yeah, I'm not even sure what to say at all. Is this a woman? Whoever gave this woman a welder, like, oh my goodness. That is disgusting. What the fuck? No, look at this. It goes, doing. What? What is the point of this? You had a truck bed on there for a reason, and now you made it into this autistic monstrosity? Like, what the fuck? Shitty or nah, no words. Oh my goodness. Lord have mercy on me. Oh no, what? You just ruined an Audi for what? What is the point of that? No. Oi. Ugh. Hey. Oh. What are you trying to do with this? No, thank you. Never show me that again. Just found this in my Facebook Mark page. What was this before? A Nissan? That looks gone down? Dude, what? Look at this shit. What is this? Why? Yeah, why indeed, my guy? What the fuck? Dude, sometimes when people get too creative or they have the free or too much free time, they get a little too willy-nilly, and it's like, what the fuck is the point of this shit? Classy Hawk 224? No way. It's part of this Ferrari Mussolina today. Nice Tesla, bro. Saw this in Queens. Dude, that is disgusting. Why would you ever even stance it? You can't even get over a fucking curb now. Oh man, imagine that. Upcycle or Temu exhausts. What the fuck is this shit, dog? Oh my. On a Honda. And those are rain gutters. What the fuck, man? What do you think the function is of this weird truck? I don't even have any words to say towards this. This is disgusting. I don't even know what to say. Ugh. Well, fellas, if you enjoyed today's video, definitely like and subscribe and come along for the next, and I'll show you some more shitty Reddit car mods and I'm like, what the fuck is this shit, bro? Know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next. Peace.